Every machine you ever admired, every robot you ever seen, every invention that changed the world started as just an idea, a sketch, a design, a single spark. Welcome to NetSpark, a place where curiosity became creation, where engineering isn't just studied, it's built. I always been fascinated by how things work. Every machine, every mechanism, every robot tells you a story of engineering. That's what inspired me to create NetSpark. This channel is where ideas became designs, designs became projects, and projects became real machines. As I continue exploring the world of engineering, I'll share everything I learned, built, and discovered with you. Let's grow together, create together, and solve problems together. This channel isn't just about tutorials, it's about a journey from imagination to innovation. Whether you are an engineering student or a working professional or someone who simply loves building things, there's a place for you here. Together, we'll transform ideas into reality. Here we don't just learn software, we learn how engineers think. We'll begin with CAD. You will learn SolidWorks from absolute zero, simulations, and real engineering practices. Then we'll move to electronics, Arduino ESP32, sensors, motors, circuit diagram, circuit design. Finally, we'll combine everything together and build a complete robot from scratch. Our very first series begins with SolidWorks. No experience required, we'll start from the absolute basis. One lesson at a time. By the end, you will have the confidence to design your own parts. And this is only the beginning. If you are ready to create, not just consume, subscribe to NetSpark, because every engineer starts somewhere. Every invention starts with an idea, and every great idea starts with a spark. Welcome to NetSpark. Dream, design, build.